have 1 minute starting now.
Okay, yep, my whole map is green. Okay.
Oh, it's the whole thing. It's literally the whole thing. Okay.
How long do I have to hide? Well, you have 45 more seconds, so you can keep drifting around me. No more dilly-dallying. No more dilly-dallying.
45 more seconds.
Oh, I don't want to sim damage my car already. Ah!
Oh, yeah. I forgot about sim damage that quick, bro.
You have 20 more seconds to hide.
Ryzen, I'm in my spot. I found a spot.
Bro, you know what sucks? MJ joined this call like 20 minutes before you guys. I made the mistake of telling him what we were doing, and he said, I found the nastiest spot, Ryzen.
Good luck finding me.
You're coming already? There's no way that was 20 seconds, bro.
If you haven't gotten far enough away in that amount of time, that's on you.
I'll be honest, I don't think I got far enough.
Wait, I see someone.
Follow or I'll take your cookie.